An ECG quiz, also known as Electrocardiogram Quiz, is a learning tool specifically designed to assist both students and healthcare practitioners in refining and test their skills and knowledge in interpreting ECGs, as a pivotal aspect of cardiovascular health assessment. Correctly reading and interpreting an ECG tracing is crucial in healthcare. ECG quizzes can be found in textbooks, online platforms, or dedicated mobile apps, offering the flexibility to learn and practice virtually anywhere and anytime. Each question usually comes with an explanation or rationale for the correct answer, reinforcing the learning process and helping to bridge any gaps in knowledge. In addition to being an essential tool in medical education for students, ECG quizzes are also beneficial for practicing healthcare professionals. They provide an ongoing opportunity for professional development and ensure practitioners remain sharp and up to date with their ECG interpretation skills. To use our ECG quiz, follow these steps. Download our ECG quiz from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. First, select the appropriate ECG practice quiz based on your understanding and learning goals. The difficulty can range from beginner to expert level. The quiz will typically consist of multiple choice questions containing an ECG strip and a related question. Read each question carefully. Choose the answer that you believe is correct. Remember, each question only has one right answer. After answering all the questions, check your responses against the answer key. Finally, review the explanations for each answer. This step is crucial for reinforcing your understanding and learning from any mistakes. For offline practice, a printable ECG quiz template can be downloaded. This is especially useful for group studies and classroom settings. Here is a sample of our ECG quiz, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our ECG quiz, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.